So what is up guys, man? It's your boy, the boy Deals Online, and today we actually have a pretty special video. Today's video I honestly didn't think would have been possible. I took a W on these trainers right now and I'm actually so happy to be reviewing them, unboxing them and giving my thoughts on the shoe itself. So as you can tell by the title, we have the new Jordan 1 Royal Toe in hand for you guys. We're going to be reviewing the shoe, unboxing the shoe, giving my personal thoughts, giving you guys a couple like fit ideas, finishing it off with like a black light test just to legit check the shoe and all that. We're going to include my personal resale predictions for this shoe. This shoe right here was so difficult to get. I didn't think it would actually be this hard. There were so many retailers, so many raffles. I thought, you know what, Saturday morning I'll cop these, and last Saturday was a big mess. End raffle L, sneakers L, Foot Locker 7-hour queue trending on Twitter. That was probably the biggest L I've taken on any sneaker drop this year completely. And after all that, I finally took a W on the Selfridges yellow drop like random like sneaker raffle, and I took a dub. I took a dub this week and I finally got a pair in hand. Before we get into this video, make sure to drop a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, make sure to hit those bell icons so you don't miss out on any uploads in the future. And without further ado, let's jump straight onto the video. So we have it here right now guys. We've got the Nike Jordan 1 Royal Toe in hand. As you can see, the typical like Selfridges Offspring size label, and then you also have the UK 9 US 10. So this is my personal size, so I may potentially keep them for myself, but we'll see how it goes. I do kind of like them. So we've got the Royal Toe in hand with the blue laces. So as you guys can see, it's side by side, the new Jordan 1 Royal Toe. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think of this trainer? What do you think of this trainer compared to the Court Purples or the Pine Greens, which have come out recently? I do like this trainer a lot more compared to the Pine Greens and the Court Purples. One of the more versatile trainers out there. I did mention that with the Court Purples, but I feel like blue, you really can't go wrong. And with the black accents, they're a lot more versatile than many trainers that have been released recently. So when we talk about the Royal Toes right now, we have to give tribute to the Game Royals or the Fragments. Me personally, I prefer the Fragments and I do prefer the Game Royals, mainly due to the fact that the Game Royals itself specifically has a lot more blue. With this shoe itself, I would have loved to have more blue than black. Literally, there's more black than there is blue in my personal opinion. I'm happy with the black swoosh, and I'm happy with the black around this midsection area, but I feel like the heel, they could have added a bit more blue and made it a bit more royal when it comes to this trainer. However, despite the fact of the lack of royal colorway on this shoe, the fact that it has black makes it a lot more versatile and a lot more rockable. For those who haven't seen the shoe, for obvious reasons it's called the Royal Toe. As you can see, the royal blue colorway on the toe section, and then around the toe section you get this black leather, which isn't the greatest of materials, but as you guys are already aware, a lot of Jordan ones that are coming out recently haven't been the greatest of leathers. I'm a fan of the black swoosh, but then going onto the heel counter section, you get this more black leather around the heel. However, I would have loved to see more blue around this section of the trainer. You get this lovely royal blue on the outer sole. The insole is actually a black Nike insole, and you got the typical Nike Jordan leather smell. Yeah, so we've gone through the whole shoe. My personal thoughts on the shoe itself, I do like them a lot more than the Pine Greens, and that's not just because blue is my favorite color. I feel like this shoe is a lot more rockable, and blue is just a nicer touch when it comes to Jordan 1s in my personal opinion. Like I said earlier, I would have preferred a bit more blue colorways on this shoe, but like I said, because of the black accents, it is a lot more wearable, a lot more rockable to wear this trainer. Furthermore, for me, you could easily rock these with like dark blue denim jeans, you can rock them with black jeans, you can rock them with dark blue tracksuits. There are a lot more versatility when it comes to this shoe. For me personally, I would love to have like a royal blue, a dark blue tracksuit in a type of style of like Palm Angels with a tapered skinny leg. That would look honestly beautiful when it comes to this shoe. As you guys know, Palm Angels have like a flared tracksuit type of design. However, if you've got that same type of design, but then you've got a slim legged tracksuit, that would look amazing when it comes to this shoe. And you can wear it with a lot of things. So when it comes to reselling these trainers, guys, for me personally, personally, I think it's a defo hold. A lot of people are saying to resell now. A lot of people weren't able to get this trainer, and I feel like demand will gradually increase, especially as summer comes and less pairs are on the market. They retailed at £135 or $170 for the men's size, and for the girls, kid sizes, I believe it was £100 and $130. Currently, sizes like this, which is size 9, sizes 7 to 9 are currently reselling for around about £210 to £230. So if you only go for £135, you're roughly making around £60 to £90 profit, which isn't bad for one shoe, especially if you was able to cop multiples. As you guys saw Saturday morning, Foot Locker EU was a complete mess. Most regions weren't able to cop. I think it was only Poland maybe. And I think 1 or 2 other regions that migrated to the new Foot Locker website. The other regions that were on the old Foot Locker website, such as the UK, France, Spain, and I think maybe Germany, we all wasn't able to cop in our own region this past Saturday. However, for those in the US, it was an easy cop. Foot Locker had so much stock. Foot Locker US had so much stock. It was an easy cop if you're in the US. For all the UK guys like myself, it was just a big L Saturday morning, 6-7 hour queue, and we didn't even get the trainer. Similarly to the Court Purples, I feel like these would do better over time. Initially, when the Court Purples first dropped, the resale declined and it plateaued, and it stayed at like a calm, stable market. However, now the price of the Court Purples are gradually beginning to increase, and it only came out last month. So if you hold these for 2-3 months, you'll see resale increase quite dramatically. And of course, as the Jordan documentary comes to a finish, you know the Jordans are going to be even more hyped when that series is ended. And finally, once we come out of lockdown and everyone's able to go out, I can honestly see the demand for these increasing. Once it hits summer, once everyone's allowed back outside, these will definitely go up in value because the demand for them will be a lot higher. Honestly guys, if you're asking for my opinion, I would definitely say to hold on to these for now. Finally guys, for those that want to legit check your shoe with the black light, the things to know out for, similar to my Court Purple video, in the mid panel, as you guys can see with most Jordan 1s right now, it's got the white stitching. So on the white stitching, that should be highlighted and fluorescent in the black light, which goes all around the heel of the shoe, going on to the next mid panel on the medial side of the shoe. Only other part of the shoe that should be highlighted in the black light should be the white stitching along the midsole of these Jordan 1s, similar to the Court Purples. Finally guys, what you want to do with your black light with all Jordan 1s is to check the box, check the size label, make sure you don't see any stamps or any marks or any blemishes on the size label. Usually with fakes you'll see like a stamp underneath the size label. That should not be the case with a legit pair of Jordan 1 Royal Toe. Anyway guys, that's about it from me. I hope you guys wanted to enjoy that video, and if you did, make sure to drop a like right now. It really does help the channel. Make sure to subscribe if you're new and hit those bell icons so you get notified whenever I upload. Anyway, it's been your boy signing out right now. Deals Online. Take care guys, hope you have a very good week. Stay safe out there during quarantine. God bless and safer. Yeah.